Hey everybody, it's Dustin, RV Specialist. So Terry's on the opposite side and we're doing the repair to the wall, to the floor, to the rear wall to try to stiffen it up. And something that I just noticed, and this is a ST 384 GK model. You know, what we've been experiencing with these is these rear walls have been breaking loose, causing the back walls to shear loose, and then the wall will slide side to side and cause the sheet metal on the side to buckle. And so, you know, you can't get in here and weld all these areas with aluminum. We talked about that before in another video. But what I just noticed while I was just looking underneath at other stuff is, look how bad that gusset is bending. And it's like that on the other side. And I don't know, you know, this one's pretty straight, but I don't know if it needs to have additional gussets in it, if that would help it because it's bending. But I would assume that if that one is doing it, that this one back here would do it, but it's not. But I don't know if that's because it's reinforced from the bumper that's back here, if the bumper's stabilizing it. But you know, this would be a weak spot because it has a slide out coming in and out. And I don't know if the slide out's ever hung up or something happened with the slide out that caused, you know, different pressure to like work the wall loose, which again would cause it to flex, which could cause that all to break. So once he gets this all repaired back up, we'll go back through and double check his slide out, see if there's anything that's, you know, adjustments or whatever. I do see that they need to get lubed and cleaned and underneath, and then like a lot of the tie straps and stuff need to get re-secured. But other than that, this is such a massive slide. This thing is at least 14, 15 feet long. Yeah, I was just looking at buckling in it too. So he's going to take and install this bracket along this wall this way to reinforce it. He had to cut down a bunch of wood and get up in here and plane it down and shim it up in there. So this is a aluminum that's about as thin as a credit card. And it's sandwiched between the outer wall skin material and then the inner wall paneling, which is the decorative inside wall paneling. And so, you know, there's not much structure there, but we're going to hopefully that'll help hold it in place to keep it from doing this and keep it from doing this. And then he's went back, and previously we had put other brackets like this in here and they bent. So he had to take them all off and put more on, and they had just pulled right through and just tweaked them and bent them all out. So we've seen, we've been tackling this kind of stuff for now, I don't know, 2-3 years. When I was last at Grand Design, I talked to them about this too out in production on the Solitude line. And I was talking about, hey, you know, can we add some kind of 45-degree aluminum bars or pieces in here to kind of beef up these rear walls. So they're actually headed here on, I don't know, I think June 11th or 12th. Grand Design is going to be down here at our shop, and so then I'll go back over it with the guys when they get in here and show them this video and other ones, and we can talk about it and see if there's something they can do, you know, on the newer models to previously, you know, beef it up. I haven't been seeing too many of the new ones yet do this, but it's an age thing. So this one happens to be a 2017, so it's basically, you know, 9 years old. So anyways, stay tuned for more, and we'll talk soon. This is Dustin, RV Specialist, and Terry. And he's got, again, both of these sides are completely torn off to kind of try to reinforce it. So, all right, thanks again for watching.